The jungle, a world of vibrant green, a place of incredible diversity. Towering trees reach for the sky, their leaves forming a dense canopy. Sunlight filters through, dappling the forest floor. The air is thick with humidity, alive with the sounds of the wild. Listen closely. You'll hear a symphony of sounds. Birds call from the branches, insects hum, a monkey chatters in the distance. This is the music of the jungle, a constant reminder of the teeming life that exists here. Each sound tells a story. Each creature plays a vital role. The jungle is a complex ecosystem, a delicate balance of life. Every plant, every animal, every insect has its place. From the smallest ant to the largest elephant, each creature contributes to the health of this incredible habitat. Welcome to their world. Imagine a giant spider web glistening with dew. Each strand is connected, each point of intersection vital. This is the jungle ecosystem. Animals and plants are bound together in a complex web of relationships. Some are obvious, like the predator and its prey. Others are more subtle, like the insects that pollinate flowers. The jungle is a place of constant struggle and survival. Predators stalk their prey, while prey animals use cunning and speed to escape. Plants compete for sunlight and nutrients, while animals rely on plants for food and shelter. But within this struggle, there is also cooperation. Animals form alliances, plants provide shelter, and together they create a thriving ecosystem. This intricate web of life is what makes the jungle so fascinating. It's a constant reminder that everything is connected. We often think of jungles as wild and untamed, but they are also incredibly fragile. The delicate balance of the ecosystem is easily disrupted. Deforestation, poaching and climate change all threaten the survival of this precious habitat. The animals that call the jungle home are more than just fascinating creatures. They are the silent guardians of this ecosystem. Their presence ensures its health and balance. They are the reason why the jungle thrives. They are the reason why we must protect it. In the following pages, we will journey into the heart of the jungle. We will meet the magnificent creatures that inhabit this world. We will learn about their lives, their struggles, and their importance in maintaining this delicate balance. We will discover why their survival is crucial for the health of our planet. Let the adventure begin.
The sun sets over the African savanna, painting the sky in hues of orange and purple. The air cools, bringing relief from the day's heat. This is the time when the king of the jungle awakens. The lion, with its majestic mane and piercing gaze, emerges from the shade. It stretches, its powerful muscles rippling beneath its golden fur. The lion is a creature of immense power and presence. Its roar, a deep, guttural sound that echoes across the savanna, is enough to send shivers down the spine of any creature. It is a symbol of strength and dominance, the apex predator of its domain. But the lion is more than just a fearsome hunter. It is also a social animal, living in groups called prides. The pride is a complex society, with a hierarchy and rules that govern their behavior. The lion's life is a delicate balance between power and vulnerability, between the need to hunt and the importance of family.
The lion, as the apex predator, plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. By controlling populations of herbivores like zebras and wildebeest, lions prevent overgrazing and ensure the health of the grasslands. Lion, their presence has a ripple effect throughout the food web. When lions make a kill, other predators like hyenas and vultures benefit from the leftovers. Even the smallest creatures like insects play a part in the cycle of life and death. The lion's presence, while seemingly dominant, is essential for the delicate balance of the African savanna. It's a reminder that every creature, from the smallest insect to the king of the jungle, plays a vital role in the intricate web of life. Deep within the dense jungles of Asia, a phantom moves. A creature of stealth and power, Its stripes blend seamlessly with the dappled sunlight and shadows. The tiger, an apex predator of unparalleled beauty, reigns supreme in its domain. Its presence, though often unseen, commands respect and awe. Its life is a constant hunt for survival, a test of strength, cunning, and resilience. Its world is one of mystery and intrigue, a place where silence speaks volumes. Every movement of the tiger is deliberate, every sense honed to perfection. Its piercing eyes, like golden orbs, scan the undergrowth for any sign of movement. Its ears, constantly twitching, pick up the slightest rustle of leaves, the distant alarm call of a deer. The tiger is a master of its environment, perfectly adapted to the challenges of its jungle home. The tiger is a solitary hunter, relying on its stealth and strength to bring down prey. Unlike lions, which hunt in groups, the tiger moves silently through the undergrowth, a ghost in the green labyrinth. Its patience is legendary. It can wait for hours, perfectly still, until the opportune moment to strike. With a sudden burst of speed, the tiger launches its attack, its powerful legs propelling its massive body forward. Its claws, sharp as razors, extend to deliver the killing blow. The tiger is a force of nature, a perfect killing machine, yet its hunting prowess is driven by the basic need for survival.
The tiger, as the apex predator of its domain, plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of the jungle ecosystem.
By controlling populations of herbivores, like deer and wild boar, tigers prevent overgrazing and ensure the health of the forest. Their presence has a ripple effect throughout the food chain. When a tiger makes a kill, other predators and scavengers like leopards, dholes, and vultures benefit from the leftovers. Even the smallest creatures like insects and microorganisms play a part in the cycle of life and death.
The tiger's presence, though often unseen, is essential for the health and vitality of the jungle. They are the guardians of the shadows, the silent protectors of a delicate ecosystem that sustains a vast array of life. The survival of the tiger is intertwined with the survival of the jungle itself, a reminder that we must protect these magnificent creatures and their fragile habitats.
The forest floor trembles. Sunlight dapples through the dense canopy as a family of elephants emerges from the shadows. These gentle giants, the largest land animals on Earth, move with surprising grace and agility, their massive bodies parting the undergrowth like ships in the night. Their presence inspires awe and wonder, a testament to the power and majesty of the natural world.
Elephants are highly social animals, living in tightly knit family groups led by a wise and experienced matriarch. These herds roam vast distances in search of food and water, their journeys shaping the landscape and influencing the lives of countless other creatures. To witness an elephant herd on the move is to witness the very essence of the jungle's rhythm, a slow, steady pulse that reverberates through the ecosystem.
Their ears, like giant fans, flap gently to dissipate heat, while their trunks, marvels of dexterity and strength, reach out to pluck leaves from branches or gather tufts of grass from the forest floor. Their tusks, gleaming white against their leathery grey skin, are symbols of power and prestige, used for defense, digging, and stripping bark from trees. But beyond their physical presence, elephants possess an intelligence and emotional depth that rivals that of our closest primate cousins. At the heart of every elephant family is the matriarch, the oldest and most experienced female. She is the keeper of knowledge, her memory a vast repository of information about migration routes, water sources, and safe havens from danger. The matriarch leads her family with wisdom and compassion, her decisions shaping the destiny of the herd.
Young calves born after a gestation period of nearly 2 years are the center of attention, doted upon by their mothers and other females in the herd. These youngsters learn everything they need to survive from their elders, from the intricacies of social interaction to the best places to find food and water. The bond between a mother elephant and her calf is one of the strongest in nature, a testament to the power of love and devotion in the animal kingdom.
The matriarch's leadership is crucial for the survival of the herd. Her experience and knowledge guide them through times of hardship, such as droughts or encounters with predators. Her remembers ancient paths through the forest, leading her family to hidden oases and lush feeding grounds. The matriarch's wisdom is a precious inheritance, passed down through generations of elephants, ensuring the continuation of their lineage in a world of ever-changing challenges. Elephants are not just inhabitants of the jungle, they are its architects, their very presence shaping the landscape and influencing the lives of countless other species. Their massive bodies carve paths through the undergrowth, creating clearings that allow sunlight to reach the forest floor, fostering the growth of new vegetation. Their dung, rich in nutrients, acts as a fertilizer, enriching the soil and supporting a diverse array of insects, fungi and other decomposers. Even their footprints, like miniature ponds, provide a vital source of water for smaller animals during the dry season. Elephants are ecosystem engineers, their every action creating opportunities for life to flourish. Their appetite for trees, while seemingly destructive, actually plays a vital role in maintaining the health and diversity of the forest. By toppling over mature trees, elephants create gaps in the canopy, allowing sunlight to reach the forest floor and stimulate the growth of new trees and understory plants. This process of natural disturbance is essential for the long-term health and resilience of forest ecosystems. The jungle resonates with the sounds of elephants, the rumble of their stomachs, the trumpeting calls that echo through the trees, the gentle flapping of their ears, all contribute to the symphony of life in this vibrant ecosystem. Their trunks, marvels of dexterity and strength, are used for a multitude of tasks, from plucking delicate fruits to uprooting entire trees. Elephants use their tusks for a variety of purposes, from digging for water to stripping bark from trees for food. They also use their tusks for defense, especially when protecting their young from predators like lions and tigers. The ivory of their tusks, while prized by humans, is a reminder of the vulnerability of these magnificent creatures to poaching and habitat loss. The symphony of trunks and tusks is a reminder of the vital role elephants play in the jungle ecosystem. Their presence, their sounds, their very essence is intertwined with the health and vitality of this precious habitat. To protect elephants is to protect the intricate web of life that sustains us all. As the sun streaks through the canopy, casting intricate patterns on the forest floor, a flash of movement catches the eye.
A deer with its sleek coat and graceful limbs darts through the undergrowth, a master of agility and speed in this verdant labyrinth.
Its delicate hooves barely whisper on the soft earth, its every sense alert to the symphony of sounds that make up the jungle's constant hum. The deer, along with its smaller cousin, the rabbit, are the quintessential prey animals of the jungle. Their lives a delicate dance between survival and vulnerability. They are the nimble navigators of the undergrowth, their movements a testament to the delicate balance of power that defines the jungle ecosystem. Its ears, like finely tuned antennae, swivel independently, picking up the slightest rustle of leaves, the snap of a twig, the distant alarm call of a bird. These prey animals are constantly on high alert, their survival depending on their ability to anticipate danger and react with lightning-fast reflexes. In the hushed world of the jungle, where silence can be as telling as a roar, prey animals have developed a sophisticated system of communication, a silent language of survival that relies on subtle cues and instinctive responses.
A flick of the tail, a stomp of a hoof, a subtle scent released into the air. These are the whispers of warning that pass between prey animals, alerting them to the presence of danger.
The deer, with its keen sense of smell, can detect the scent of a predator from afar, its nostrils quivering as it catches the faintest whiff of danger on the breeze.
A startled snort, a sharp bark, and the herd is on the move. Their synchronized flight a testament to the power of instinct and the importance of collective awareness.
The rabbit, with its exceptional hearing, can detect the softest footfall, the rustle of leaves that betrays a predator's approach.
A thump of its powerful hind legs on the ground sends a tremor through the undergrowth. A silent alarm that reverberates through the forest, alerting other rabbits in the vicinity to the impending danger.
These subtle signals, often invisible to the human eye, are the lifelines of survival for prey animals, allowing them to navigate the treacherous landscape of the jungle, where danger lurks in the shadows and every sense is attuned to the delicate balance between life and death. The deer and the rabbit, though often viewed simply as prey animals, are in fact vital threads in the intricate tapestry of the jungle ecosystem.
They are the gardeners of the undergrowth, their grazing habits shaping the composition of plant life and influencing the availability of resources for other creatures.
Their presence, far from being insignificant, ripples through the food web, impacting the lives of predators, scavengers, and even the smallest insects.
Their droppings, rich in nutrients, fertilize the soil, promoting the growth of new vegetation and supporting a diverse array of insects and microorganisms.
Their browsing habits, by selectively feeding on certain plants, help to control the growth of dominant species, allowing for a greater diversity of plant life to flourish.
This, in turn, provides food and shelter for a wider range of insects, birds, and other animals, enriching the overall biodiversity of the ecosystem.
The deer and the rabbit, the nimble navigators of the undergrowth, are not merely prey animals, they are the unsung heroes of the jungle. Their lives are testament to the interconnectedness of all living things and the delicate balance that sustains the web of life.
Their survival is our survival, for in protecting them, we protect the intricate web of life that sustains us all.
The bear is an opportunistic omnivore, its diet as varied as the seasons themselves.
In the spring, it emerges from its winter slumber, its stomach rumbling after months of fasting, eager to replenish its energy reserves.
Tender shoots of green, succulent roots and early berries provide a welcome source of nourishment. Their sweetness, a reminder of life's renewal after the long, cold winter.
As summer ripens the land, the bear's diet expands to include a bounty of fruits, nuts, and insects.
Its powerful sense of smell, said to be 7 times stronger than a bloodhound's, guides it to hidden caches of berries, ripe and bursting with flavor.
Its claws, so adept at digging, unearth grubs and tubers, their earthy sweetness a welcome addition to its varied diet.
And when opportunity arises, the bear's predatory instincts kick in.
A young deer separated from its mother, a salmon struggling upstream to spawn. These become targets for the bear's lightning-fast reflexes and powerful jaws.
The bear, a master of its domain, embodies the adaptability and resilience of nature, its survival a testament to its ability to exploit the ever-changing bounty of its environment. As darkness descends upon the jungle, casting long shadows that stretch and intertwine like ancient vines, the haunting howl of a wolf echoes through the trees. It is a sound that sends shivers down the spine, a primal call that speaks of both danger and camaraderie, a reminder that even in the depths of the wilderness, social bonds endure.
The wolf, though often demonized in folklore and myth, is a creature of remarkable intelligence and social complexity. They live in packs, led by an alpha male and female, their lives governed by a strict social hierarchy that ensures order and cooperation.
Wolves are highly skilled hunters, their success depending on their ability to work together, to coordinate their movements and strategies, to bring down prey much larger than themselves. Their howls, far from being random expressions of wildness, are a sophisticated form of communication, used to maintain contact between pack members, to rally the group for a hunt, to warn rivals of their territorial boundaries.
The wolf's howl is a testament to the power of social bonds, a reminder that even in the harshest environments, cooperation and communication are essential for survival.
The bear and the wolf, though often perceived as threats to other animals, are in fact integral threads in the intricate tapestry of the jungle ecosystem. As apex predators, they help to regulate populations of prey animals, preventing overgrazing and ensuring the health and diversity of plant life.
Their presence, far from being detrimental, is essential for maintaining the delicate balance of nature. When a bear brings down a deer, it doesn't consume the entire carcass. Scavengers, from ravens to foxes to insects, descend upon the remains, their own survival dependent on the bear's hunting prowess.
The wolf pack, after satisfying its hunger, leaves behind scraps that sustain a host of other creatures, from eagles to wolverines to beetles. Their droppings, rich in nutrients, fertilize the soil, promoting the growth of new vegetation. Their movements through the undergrowth create clearings that allow sunlight to reach the forest floor, fostering the growth of new plants and providing habitat for a diversity of insects and small animals.
The bear and the wolf, far from being villains of the ecosystem, are in fact unsung heroes, their presence essential for the health, diversity, and very survival of the jungle.
Our journey through the jungle has revealed a world of intricate connections. Every creature, from the mighty lion to the humble dung beetle, plays a vital role. The jungle's symphony is a complex arrangement, a delicate balance of predator and prey, of life and death, of growth and decay. The lion's roar, a symbol of power, echoes through the savanna, shaping the landscape as surely as the elephant's massive form. The tiger's stripes, a masterpiece of camouflage, speak to the constant dance between hunter and hunted. A dance that has played out for millennia. The deer's agility, the rabbit's camouflage, the bear's strength, the wolf's cunning. These are all testaments to the power of adaptation, the drive to survive in a world of ever-changing challenges. But the jungle's heartbeat is under threat. Deforestation, poaching, and climate change are tearing at the very fabric of this precious ecosystem. The animals we have encountered, the silent guardians of the jungle, are facing an uncertain future. Their survival hinges on our actions, our choices, our willingness to protect the natural world that sustains us all. We are inextricably linked to the natural world. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, all are gifts from a healthy, thriving planet. The jungle, with its astonishing biodiversity, plays a crucial role in regulating our climate, purifying our air and water, and providing us with essential resources. It is time for us to answer the call of the wild, to recognize that our own well-being is intertwined with the fate of these magnificent creatures and their fragile habitats. We must become stewards of the planet, working together to protect the delicate balance of nature, to ensure that the jungle's symphony continues to resonate for generations to come. Let the stories of the lion, the tiger, the elephant, the deer, the bear, the wolf, all the creatures we have encountered on our journey inspire us to action. Let their resilience, their adaptability, their sheer will to survive fuel our own determination to create a world where humans and nature can coexist in harmony, where the jungle's heartbeat continues to echo through the ages, a testament to the enduring power and beauty of life on Earth.